Minikube is the easiest way to learn Kubernetes because it provides the simple, lightweight and local single node Kubernetes cluster that is quite simple to set up and use. So before installing Kubernetes Minikube on your machine, so you need to check the certain requirements, that is the prerequisites, that is hardware requirements, at least 2 CPU cores and memory at least 2 GB of RAM, recommended 4 GB, and disk space at least 20 GB of disk space. Then number 2, operating system which will support Linux, Mac and Windows. Number 3, virtualization or container runtime environment. So I'll suggest this Docker desktop, so absolutely fine for this. And for the container runtimes, okay, Docker or Podman on Linux. So these are the requirements, and I have this Docker desktop. This is quite simple and you can just download it from the official website. There is no need to do any setup once it is ready. So once the setup and all ready, so you can go to that Minikube terminal. So here you can see that if you want additional details for regarding this, you can go through this Kubernetes for Mac. So this is based on the Mac version, so you can refer this if you are using the Mac, and if you are on Windows you can go through this official site, or you can request on via comment section so that I can help you. So why it is easiest to learn, so it is simple setup and local environment. So resource requirement, that is 2 CPU cores and 2 GB RAM is enough for. So if you want smoother, so you can go for the 4 GB RAM, and support add-ons also. It comes like NGINX ingress controller and enabled by the using the add-ons. It will support multiple add-ons, and hands-on experience also. The hands-on practice, you can right away once installed you can right away practice it. So I will show you. So since I have a Docker desktop ready, so this is my GitHub full course for Kubernetes tutorial. So you can go through this since it is for easy to understand. I have created from a basic level, so pods, replica sets, deployments, replication controller, services, and I will add update. I will based on the services and other topics as well. So you can go through this as well. So this is quite simple and easy to understand. So if you have any suggestions or comments, you can go through our YouTube channel. So here this is the YouTube channel. You can go through this Code with Chandra. So this is my channel. You can request on this. So I'll guide you through the process, and if there are any difficulties. Now I'll move on to the terminal to show you. So this is my terminal. So I'll let you know once. So Minikube is not started. Okay. So once I'll run this Minikube start, it will start the Minikube. So you can see the progress here. See, it was started now. So it is very simple, and you can right away practice it with the help of pods and by creating the deployment services and all. So wait for a while. So I'll show you. Now it is started. Now you can try to get this. Wait a second, I can clear this. Now try to get the typo. See, single node Minikube cluster is ready, and you can right away practice it. Okay, suppose I will create simple run nginx -- image is equal to nginx. So this will create the nginx pod with nginx image. See, now you can try to get those parts. See, container is. So you can see that now the pod is nginx pod is running, and we can try to describe this and what happens inside. We will check on this pod nginx. So you can see that events so successfully assign the default nginx to Minikube and pulling the image from the Docker hub, and successfully pulled and created the container and started the container. These are the steps involved in while creating the nginx. Okay, this is how you need to work with